The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser has officially made its long-awaited return to the US and global markets, and it's bringing with it a refreshing blend of classic off-road character and modern technology. After taking a short hiatus, Toyota has revived the legendary SUV with a more compact, retro-inspired design that pays homage to its rugged roots, while integrating features that meet today's driving demands. One of the first things fans will notice is its boxier and more angular exterior, a design clearly inspired by earlier Land Cruiser generations. The round LED headlights, flat front fascia, and squared-off fenders give it that old-school vibe, but with a modern twist. It's noticeably smaller than the outgoing 200 series model, making it more maneuverable off-road and better suited for tight trails. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser is powered by Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. This system pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor, generating a combined 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. It's a downsizing from the V8s of the past, but the torque boost is significant, especially for rock crawling and deep sand driving. Plus, it's a move in the direction of fuel efficiency and sustainability. The hybrid setup is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time four-wheel drive with a center-locking differential, plus an electronic locking rear differential, making it a true off-road performer. Inside the cabin, Toyota has kept functionality front and center. The layout is clean and practical, with rubberized buttons and a durable design made to withstand rugged use. Depending on the trim, you get either an 8-inch or a 12.3-inch touchscreen with the latest Toyota audio multimedia system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates and a range of connected services. The seating arrangement accommodates 5 passengers comfortably, and there's a strong emphasis on visibility and space. For adventure lovers, the cargo area is generous, especially with the second row folded flat, and there are even power outlets in the back to help run gear while camping or off-roading. Toyota has also paid close attention to the off-road capabilities of this new model. With nearly 8.7 inches of ground clearance, a multi-terrain select system, crawl control, and downhill assist control, the 2025 Land Cruiser is more than capable of handling extreme conditions. It rides on the TNGA-F platform, the same one used in the latest Tundra and Sequoia, which means it has a strong, ladder frame construction that offers both durability and better ride comfort. A disconnecting front stabilizer bar, available in higher trims, adds more wheel articulation on rocky surfaces. And yes, Toyota is even offering 33-inch all-terrain tires from the factory, which is a huge win for hardcore enthusiasts. One of the most exciting things about the new Land Cruiser is the pricing strategy. Unlike the premium pricing of the previous 200 series, the 2025 model starts at around $55,000, making it significantly more accessible for adventure seekers and families alike. Toyota clearly wants to broaden the Land Cruiser's appeal, and with this model, it strikes a balance between being a practical daily driver and a capable off-road machine. It's being offered in 3 main trims: Land Cruiser 1958, the Standard Land Cruiser, and the First Edition. Each version comes with its own unique touches. The 1958 trim is the most retro-inspired, featuring heritage badging and round headlights, while the First Edition will be limited in production and fully loaded with extra off-road gear, roof racks, and exclusive interior finishes. In terms of safety and driver assistance tech, the 2025 Land Cruiser doesn't fall behind. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite is standard across all trims, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and pedestrian detection. There's also a 360-degree camera system with underbody cameras that help drivers navigate tricky terrain by giving them a real-time view of obstacles beneath the vehicle. This is especially useful for rock crawling or driving through deep ruts, where wheel placement is everything. The return of the Land Cruiser in 2025 isn't just about reviving a name, it's about re-establishing a legacy. This model doesn't try to out-luxury its competitors. Instead, it doubles down on what the Land Cruiser has always stood for: reliability, durability, and adventure. With its hybrid powertrain, off-road focus, and more affordable pricing, Toyota has smartly positioned the Land Cruiser for a new generation of explorers. Whether you're looking for a daily driver that can hit the trails on the weekend, or a serious off-roader with heritage appeal, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser hits that sweet spot. This isn't just a comeback. It's a well-calculated evolution that honors the past while preparing for the future.